Usapang chroma key naman tayo. Tara, gawin natin sa CapCut. Open CapCut, then create new project, then tap library. Then after that, choose any background in the library. Then after that, choose the clip you want to use to chroma key. Then kapag malaki masyado yung clip, adjust nyo na lang to make fit to your background para saktuhan lang yung pag-chroma key. Yan. Then after that, use chroma key from the lower button and remove background. Then choose chroma key by tapping that and select the color you want to use chroma key. Then after that, adjust shadow and your intensity. And pwede mo na siyang export. Then this is the result of your chroma key. Madali lang, di ba? So follow na.